Now we are going to learn a faster way of adding mixed numbers. For example, without doing any calculation, I can make out that the answer of this problem is 33 upon 5. Before knowing how I have calculated this, let us know some fundamentals about the mixed numbers. When we convert mixed numbers into fractions, what we do? We multiply these two. 17 multiplied by 5 is 85. Then the numerator is added, we get 87. So the fraction becomes 87 over 5. This part is taken to the numerator and the denominator is taken as it is to the fraction. Now, the second thing is 17 2 upon 5 is equal to 17 plus 2 upon 5. 17 2 upon 5 when converted into fraction comes out to be 87 upon 5 as we have calculated just now. Now on the right hand side, 17 upon 1 plus 2 upon 5 when added, they give us again 87 upon 5. It means left hand side and right hand side are same. So 17 2 upon 5 is equal to 17 plus 2 upon 5. Means the mixed numbers can also be written like that. By taking the help of this property of mixed numbers, we are going to solve the problems related to mixed numbers. So this becomes 17 plus 2 upon 5 plus 13 plus 1 upon 5. So becomes 17 plus 13 plus 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. So 30. And when we add these two fractions, we are going to get 3 upon 5. And when we convert this part into mixed numbers, it becomes 33 upon 5. So these problems can be solved like this. There are about 4 to 5 variants of these problems, and we are going to discuss every one of that one by one. Now let us do practice with this example. So 15 2 upon 9 can be written as 15 plus 2 upon 9. It is 6 plus 1 upon 15, and it is 7 plus 3 upon 5. So 15, 6 and 7, these are the whole numbers. So separate them out and add the fractional part separately. So 15 and 6, 21 and 7, it is 28, plus this part becomes LCM is 45, so it is 10, this is 3 and this is 27. So fractional part becomes, it is 30 and 10, 40, 40 upon 45. This can be converted into the lowest fraction, that is we can divide both numerator and denominator with 5 and we will be getting 8 upon 9 as the lowest fraction of this fraction. So our answer becomes 28 plus 8 upon 9 and the final answer is 28 8 upon 9. Now after this we are going to take up some typical problems related to mixed numbers. Now let us solve this problem. Here the whole numbers are 8, 15 and 12. Add 8, 15 and 12 separately and then add the fractional parts. 3 upon 17 plus 5 upon 17 plus 9 upon 17. So 8, 15, 23, 23 and 12 is 35. The whole number total becomes 35 and the fractional part becomes 17, 3 plus 5 plus 9. So it becomes 17 upon 17. When the numerator is equal to the denominator, the resultant of the fraction that becomes 1. So we are left with 35 whole number, then plus this one, it is now 36. So when we get a fraction where the numerator and denominator are same, then we are to add this one into the whole numbers and our answer becomes 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. Now let us solve this problem. So the whole numbers are 15, 8 and 12. 15, 8 and 12 plus the fraction parts are 6 over 19 plus 7 over 19 and plus 12 over 19. So this is 20 and 15, 35 plus it is 19, 6 plus 7 plus 12. So 6 and 7, 13 and 12, 25 upon 19. So here we have got improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Means the value of this is greater than 1. We can take out some whole numbers out of this fraction. So it is 35 and we are to convert this improper fraction into the mixed numbers. So when we convert 25 upon 19 into mixed numbers, we get 1 6 upon 19. So now it becomes 35 plus 1 plus 6 upon 19. So it is 36 plus 6 upon 19. So final answer is 36 6 upon 19. So when we get the total of the fractional part to be an improper fraction, we can find out the solution in this way. Now let us solve this problem. So here the whole numbers are 11, 6 and -8. And the fractional parts are 2 upon 13 plus 5 upon 13 minus 12 upon 13. So 17 minus 8 is 9 plus the fractional part becomes 2 plus 5 minus 12. So the total of fraction part becomes 12 minus 7. So it is minus 6 over 13. So our answer becomes 9 minus 6 upon 13. Now we can solve this in two ways. The first method is the traditional method which we are taught in the school. Now let us do it with the first method, which is of course is a lengthy method. So we can solve it like taking the LCM of 1 and 13, it is 13. Now 13 multiplied by 9 is 117. So it is 6. So we get 111 over 13. Now we can convert this 111 upon 13 into mixed numbers. So 111 oblique 13, when converted into mixed numbers, we get 13 8 jar 104. So it is 8. 111 minus 104 7. So it comes out to be 8 whole number 7 upon 13. Now let us solve it with the shortcut method. The method is we can borrow 1 from the whole number. How it is? We take 1 from the 9 and we can now solve this. So it is 8 plus, when this is solved, we get 7 upon 13. So when this is converted into mixed numbers, it comes out to be 8 whole number 7 upon 13. So this certainly is the better method of solving this than the traditional method. So when we get a negative number in our fractional part, then we can solve the problems in the way I have told over here. So let us summarize what we have learned till now. So when we get a proper fraction in the fractional part, we can write 16 2 upon 3. And if we get numerator and denominator of same value, we will convert it into 1. So answer will be 16 plus 1 is 17. If we get improper fraction in the fractional part, then we are to convert this improper fraction into the mixed numbers, and our answer will be 16 plus 1, 17, 1 upon 3. And if we get a negative number in the fractional part, we have to borrow 1 from this whole number. 15 plus 1 minus 2 upon 3, and the answer will be 15 1 upon 3. And in this way we have dealt with all the various possible problems related to the mixed numbers. We can solve many problems related to mixed numbers at a very fast speed. So 8 minus 2 it is 6, 3 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 is 2 upon 5. So answer of our first problem is 6 whole number 2 upon 5. Now let us come to the second problem. Here 8 plus 4 it is 12, 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 5 means 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So answer of this problem is 13. Now the third problem. This is the whole number and this is the fractional part. So 5 is the whole number and fractional part is 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. The LCM of fractional part is 12. So 4 and 2, 8. So 3 and 3, 9. So 17 upon 12. This is converted into whole number. So answer becomes 5 plus 1, 6, 5 upon 12. So the answer of third problem is 6 whole number 5 upon 12. Now let us come to the fourth problem. So it is 13 and 6, 19 and 8, 27. Whole number total is 27. Fractional part is 2 upon 15, 7 upon 15 and 8 upon 15. LCM is 15. So 2 plus 7 plus 8. So the total is 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. So it is 17 upon 15. So let us convert it into mixed numbers. It becomes 1, 2 upon 15. So the whole number is 27 and 27 plus 1 is 28 and 2 upon 15. That is the final answer of the problem number 4. So when we come across the problems of addition of mixed numbers, we can solve the problems very fast with great amount of accuracy.